Number 1, the expression 3b to the 2 over d power is equivalent to which of the following? Well, 3b to the 2 over d. Now the rule states that x to the m over n is the same as the nth root of x to the m, or nth root of x to the m. So what I'm inclined to do here is to do the d root of dth, as I guess you would say, squared, or 3b squared. So let's take a look at which one it could be. It's not a reciprocal, so it's not choice 1 and 3. Okay, it looks like choice 4 is our best match. For number 2, this represents her average. She has 85 on her first three tests, so 85 plus 85 plus 85 is 255. That's where the 255 is coming from, and you see it's common in all of them. Okay, they want her average to be 90. This expression represents her average. Well, if her average is 90, then it can't be choice 2 and 4. It's telling you that the average is 93. It's not what they're asking for. So if she scores 93 on each of the remaining tests, which of these two, 1 and 3, is it going to be? Okay, well, in this case, you are multiplying 93 times the amount of tests, but you're not multiplying the number of tests times the number of tests. You're adding them on to the ones that were already there. So if you had, 5 tests, you're going to add 2 and multiply those by 2 more. Choice 3. Number 3, I'm just going to FOIL. I get 2yi, 2yi, and then I get plus y squared, I squared. I get 4 minus 4yi plus y squared. Remember, I squared is negative 1. So I get 4 minus 4yi minus y squared. So it looks like choice 2. I just have it backwards. Number 4, if you notice, all 4 of these graphs cross the x-axis at 3 places. Therefore, they all have 3 real zeros. Now, this notation means that as my x values approach, let's look at this last bullet point. As my x values approach infinity, so as my x values are going out this way, what's the graph doing? Is the graph, remember f of x is the graph. Is the graph. There we go. Okay, is the graph also going towards infinity? Now, in this case, your answer is choice 3, because as my x values are going out, the graph is going up. That's that bullet point. As I go towards negative infinity, the graph is going towards negative infinity, or it's going down. So the graph is going down on the left and going up on the right. Choice 3. To solve number 5, some easy ways you could do is just plug in these answers, but what I'm going to do is square both sides. I get 56 minus x equals x squared. Moving these terms to the other side, I should have 0 equals x squared plus x minus 56. It looks like this can be factored, so we'll say x plus 8 and x minus 7. Does that sound about right? Okay, so solving, you get x equals negative 8, x equals 7. I have a funny feeling about this being an extraneous solution. So what I am going to do, I hope I spelled that correctly, I am going to check. So 56 minus a negative 8, is that equal to negative 8? Okay, you get the square root of 64, is that equal to negative 8? Okay, theoretically it is, because negative 8 times negative 8. I believe in these situations they're only looking for the principal square root, and that basically means the positive one. Okay, so be sure to check with your teachers on that. For number 6, I put it into my calculator, if you can see it, and then I graphed it. It looks like it crosses at negative 3, 0, 3, and 4, which is choice number 1.